Hello everyone, I'm Sukanya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. 10 brownie points for staying consistent. Let's go. I hate concerts. Yeah, I said it, and there is a very valid reason for that. So, this story is based like 6-7 years ago. So, 2018, I freshly joined college in Bangalore. I met this gang of girls right in college, and we like hit it off. We were best friends forever. One of them and I decided that we are gonna go for a DJ Snake concert. And before this, I have never been to a concert in my entire life. So, I was like very excited because obviously, एक बार तो life में concert जाना ही है किसी को ना, right? So, I was like, okay, let's go. It was a Sunburn festival. So, me, my friend, and her cousin and her other friends decided to go. So we were like, let's go. So I was all excited. We were picking our outfits. We were like, we're gonna wear this and that and that. Back then, I wasn't as extroverted as I am right now, and I used to be pretty much timid only. Like इतनी दुनियादारी की समझ नहीं थी उस time पे. So I kind of used to not talk to strangers as openly as I can talk now. So I only knew one person, only my friend in that entire squad of people with who I decided to go to some other corner of the world. If you know someone from Bangalore, if you stay in Bangalore, you know that the communication is very bad. क्योंकि जब भी तुमको ऑटो चाहिए तुमको कभी नहीं मिलेगा. This fact is very important to highlight right now because you'll understand why all of those things that happened to me later part of the video happened. Why? Because communication is really bad. पहले तो vibe नहीं आ रहा था because कोई आया ही नहीं था. I don't know for some reason we went इतना early. So we are still trying to vibe. हम लोग ऐसे Instagram के लिए stories वगैरह ले रहे थे and we are like really trying ourselves to vibe. पर कुछ vibe हो ही नहीं रहा है because the DJ whoever was playing was shit. कुछ मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. लाइक भाई दिस इज़ वॉट वी पेड फॉर. नहीं मज़ा आ रहा है भाई, तुम कुछ और गाने लगाओ. तो उसके बाद हम ही अपन के बीच में कुछ गाने लगा के वी स्टार्टेड वाइबिंग एंड वी आर फाइनली सेटिंग द माहौल कि थोड़ा वाइब बननी चाहिए, नहीं तो बहुत ज़्यादा बोर मार रहा था. आफ्टर अ वाइल द सन वाज डाउन, माहौल थोड़ा बनने लगा बिकॉज पीपल हैड ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड कमिंग एंड वी वर लाइक ओके कूल, नाउ इट फील्स लाइक अ कॉन्सर्ट. सो देन वी डिसाइडेड दैट वी आर गोना गेट अ फ्यू ड्रिंक्स एंड वी आर गोना चिल एंड देन वी आर गोना हैव अ नाइस टाइम एंड दैट्स इट. So me and my friends, we went to the loo first, and for some reason I don't know why I thought that it would be a good idea for me to come out of the washroom and then go get the drinks and then meet them later. Worst decision of my life. Settle का कोई connection था नहीं उधर. So I went to the washroom, I came out. Like I said, I only knew one friend. बाकी लोग को मैं उस टाइम पे लाइफ में पहली बार मिली हूँ and मेरी मेमोरी वैसे भी खराब है, so I did not register any of their other faces. So I went to the washroom, I come out of the washroom and I go and get a drink. Now I come back, I go near that washroom area and nobody is there. I'm like, what the fuck just happened? But I did not think it's a big deal. I was like, अरे मिल ही जाएगा, कहाँ ही जाएंगे वो लोग. Turns out, after 4-5 years, I did not find them. I cannot find them. मिल ही जाएंगे, कहाँ ही जाएंगे. So I was enjoying my drink and I was like, ठीक है रुकते हैं. For 5-10 minutes I waited outside the loo. They're not coming. So I was like, भाई ऐसा क्या हो गया? Why aren't they coming? Then I called them up. Like I said, there is no communication. So I am not able to call anybody. Not on normal call, not on WhatsApp call. कुछ चल ही नहीं रहा था. The bars were all down. So I was like, okay. तब थोड़ी फटनी लगी. Like मैं पहली बार बैंगलोर गई हूँ, तो I was like, और मैं लोगों को जाने बिना गई थी कॉन्सर्ट में. एक बंदी बस मेरे को पता है और ऑनेस्टली उसी का नंबर मेरे पास था. So I'm calling her. I'm not able to reach her. उसका सेल भी ब्लॉक, मेरा सेल भी ब्लॉक, and I don't even know the other people. Who do I call? तो धीरे धीरे फटने लगी क्योंकि I was like, where the fuck am I supposed to go? Because I wasn't that extroverted उस time पे क्योंकि फट ज़्यादा रही थी. Now if I'm lost, I'll chill with some other people and eventually I'll find them. ऐसा attitude now I have. But back then I was very scared. I was like, what will I do? And I'm like legit in some other corner of Bangalore. भाई मुझे पता भी नहीं है कहाँ हूँ. I went to every stall to find them, but नहीं मिल रहे. And it continued for an hour. And obviously because there's no reception, so I do not know if they are also trying to call me, if they are worried that I'm missing. I did not know that. So for 1 hour and the sun was down till then. So I'm like, मैं घूम रही हूँ, कोई नहीं मिल रहा. Probably after 2 hours, I started freaking out because I was like, because now people have also started approaching me. And back then, if someone starts approaching me like this, I'll freak the fuck out even more because मेरे को तो लगता है हर कोई murderer ही निकलेगा. So I was like, okay, I started getting scared. Then I was like, okay, no, thank you. फिर मैं घूमने लगी इधर उधर because I couldn't trust anybody. मेरे को फट रही थी. I was like, what am I supposed to do? तो मैं घूम रही हूँ, कोई नहीं मिल रहा. Then again I took an entire circle. शायद 4-5 चक्कर लगाए मैंने उस एरिया के, कोई नहीं मिल रहा. Finally at some corner I got some reception and किसी का तो कॉल आया. And I picked up the call. And उसके बाद it was her friend. She's like, where the fuck did you disappear? I was like, भाई मैं इधर हूँ इसके नीचे. They're like, okay, we are coming, stay there. Like, siapa, what am I supposed to do? And I'm not even able to enjoy anything because मेरी फट रही थी. I was like, okay, ठीक है. Now again when I tried to call them, नहीं लग रहा call. I was like, no. After a while, this continued for 5 hours. I kid you not. हम लोग शायद 5 बजे गए थे. Till 10 o'clock, I was there, stranded all by myself, and I did not have the guts to be with anybody else. So after a point, I got so frustrated. There was a point where everyone was sitting ऐसे गद्दे जैसे sack नहीं रखते. I was sitting there and I gave up all hopes. I was just sitting there and someone came and they're like, what happened? I was like, I lost my friend. So किसी ने तो थोड़े टाइम के लिए sympathy दी मेरे को. I was like, yeah, I lost my friends. What are you here for? They're like, ऐसे ही गम में बैठे हैं. I was like, ठीक है, तुम भी बैठो, मैं भी बैठो. और because तब तक DJ Snake आया भी नहीं था. So I was like, ठीक है, तुम भी गम में बैठो, मैं भी गम में बैठ रही हूँ. We are just sitting there and we are like, ठीक है, ठीक है. After a point, I really lost my shit. I was like, अभी मैं क्या करूँ? After that, finally, the DJ announces that, okay, DJ Snake is coming. उस टाइम भी I was like, भाई इसी के लिए आई थी. वेंचो दिन को ढूंढते ढूंढते मेरा पूरा entertainment चला जाएगा. What am I supposed to do? So I found this group of people who were like, अरे काम कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता. I was like, हाँ ठीक है, कुछ नहीं होता. So I went, I started dancing with them. I was like, चलो अभी फटी रही है तो थोड़ा नाच ही लेती हूँ ताकि थोड़ा फटना कम हो जाए. I was dancing with them and DJ Snake came for like 5 seconds I think. Because बोला, oh DJ Snake is there. We were like, oh DJ Snake खत्म, चला गया वो. I was like, इसके लिए आई थी मैं. इसके लिए I came and I got stranded there for like 5 hours for this 5 seconds of what? And after that they were like, wrap up. I kid you not, there was literally a stampede and I was scared that I will die in that stampede. After that, those group of people also went जिसके साथ मैं vibe कर रही थी. And now मेरी और फट रही थी because people were actually exiting the venue. And इतना जल्दी they were trying to vacate that area that मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा फट गई. एक तो like I said, I thought I'm gonna die of a stampede right now. And when I was going outside, I was like, मैं जाऊँ भी किधर, बाहर जा भी क्यों रही हूँ, क्योंकि there is literally nobody I can go out with. और फिर भी फोन नहीं लग रहा. I was like, fuck, I'm fucked now. क्या करूँ? अकेली शहर में, अनजान सी शहर में अकेली लड़की खुली हुई तिजोरी की तरह होती है. All this is going on in my head and I was like, okay, what am I supposed to do? बाहर गई, I thought maybe I'll get some cell reception there. नहीं मिल रहा, वेंचर मिल ही नहीं रहा है. Then I met a group of people who were heading to the same place as I stay. So they offered to help. They were like, क्या हुआ, क्या हो गया? Because मेरे मुंह पे दिख रहा था कि फटके 4 हो गई थी. So some people came and they asked me कि what happened to you? Are you okay? I was like, listen, this and this happened. I have lost my friends. I can't even call them. And मुझे पता भी नहीं है वेंचर वो लोग कहाँ हैं, मैं कहाँ जाऊँ. They were like, where do you stay? I was like, I stay here. They were like, listen, we are also going there. Why not? We'll drop you. And it was a group of 4 boys. My choices are being stranded alone in the street or offer help from 4 random boys. तो कौन सा तराजू किस पे भारी है मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा था. But I was like, maybe this option is better. इधर तुमको ना रिसेप्शन मिलेगा ना कुछ, इससे अच्छा तुम एटलीस्ट हमारे साथ गाड़ी तक चलो, उधर तुमको रिसेप्शन मिल जाएगा. I was like, बात तो सही है. I went with them. I was there, just outside their car, and honestly, to be really honest, मुझे उधर reception मिला. And I pick up the call. They're like, where the fuck are you? We've been trying to find you. कहाँ हो? Like, we're not able to, we're not able to contact you as well. I was like, I am right here. Where the fuck are you guys? They were like, listen, don't go anywhere. Stay right there. We are coming. नाउ मिसकम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है क्योंकि मैंने शायद उनको बोला ईस्ट आओ, दे आर गोइंग वेस्ट, तो मिल ही नहीं रहे. फिर वही बकचोदी 15-20 मिनट तक चला. एंड आई लाइक, वेयर द फक आर यू गाइस? दीस गाइस आर लाइक, लिसन, वी आर गोना लीव नाउ, डू यू रियली वांट टू कम विद अस? ये लोग भी हरी कर रहे हैं. मैं क्या, व्हाट डू यू वांट मी टू डू? आई वाज लाइक, आई डोंट वांट टू गो विद यू, आई विल फाइंड माय ओन वे. And I came middle तक. एक बंदा मेरे पीछे तक आया. He's like, listen, don't freak out like this. It's not safe here. चलो. I was like, listen, fuck off. My friends are coming. I am going with them only. और मैं भाग गई. जाते I found an ice cream truck. मैं उधर ही खड़ी हो गई. Because I really wanted to sit. So जो ice cream truck मिला मैं उधर ही बैठी हुई. And then some people came. They're like, क्या हुआ तुम्हारा? मैं कुछ नहीं हुआ भाई, मेरे को प्लीज अकेला छोड़ दो. Because after a point, like there was no social battery in me. I was like, मेरे को नहीं बोलना और किसी को क्या है. I just want to wait here. Someone will discover me. My friends will come. They'll discover me and then they're gonna take me. So I'm just gonna stand there. मैं इधर उधर भाग रही हूँ. इससे अच्छा मैं एक जगह खड़ी रहती हूँ. कोई ना कोई तो ढूंढ ही लेगा. While I was sitting on the ice cream truck, one random person came. I think he was like really intoxicated. So he came and he's like, क्या हुआ? Like, क्या है? मैं भी stranded हूँ, तू भी stranded है. Some other bullshit he started saying, like, हाँ क्या है जिंदगी. He freaked the fuck out of me. I was like, इससे अच्छा था वो लड़के ही थे भाई, उनके साथ चली जाती. But I cannot handle this situation what I was happening right now because he was like really drunk out of his mind and he did not even look like a decent college going student. He was like a random person on the street. तो मेरी तब बहुत ज़्यादा फट गई. Luckily, उस time पे my phone rang and my friends are like, listen, I think we see someone जो wore the same clothes as me. So they're like, we see someone. Are you like standing on, like sitting on some as a thela? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, we saw you across whatever, just stay there, don't move an inch, we are coming. We भी वो लोग जो मैं जानती भी नहीं उनको, not my friend but my friend's sister and some other friend had come, जिनको मैं चेहरे से ढंग से पहचानती भी नहीं थी भाई, उसी दिन मिली थी यार उनसे. But then they somehow remembered my face because I'm so memorable. Anyways, so they came, they finally saw me, they're like, Sukanya. I was like, yeah. They're like, where the fuck did it disappear? We were out of our minds. I was like, even me. And then they finally discovered me, and I told them the whole bhasar. They were like, are you kidding me? You just scared the fuck out of us. I'm like, yeah. Anyways, my dogs are barking, I can't help it. Anyways, if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and do the needful. I'm gonna come up with another bizarre and interesting story that has happened to me in my life. Until then, subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye. Namaste.